issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wake County until 5 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fuquay Arena, or 8 miles out of Cary, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Garner, Fuquay Arena, Apex, Holly Springs, Lake Wheeler, New Hill, Lake Benton, and Sharon Harris Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina,